Hello, welcome back to my video. If you're new here, welcome. It's Eat with Q. My name is Q, and today I am so excited. I have McDonald's. OMG. So I haven't had McDonald's in a really long time, you guys. So we're going to be taste testing this together. I haven't had McDonald's in probably a few years. So today I decided that I wanted to try a double quarter pounder with cheese and a medium fry. And I also, on my double quarter pounder, I got mac sauce because I really do like mac sauce a lot. So here are my fries. Oh, they gave us some napkins. Okay, cool. So, I am so hungry. I have not eaten all day. So, let's see. Add mac sauce. Yes, hopefully they got it right. Oh man, this looks delicious. And I got a sweet tea. So, you know, I'm not going to waste any time. I'm hungry. I'm just going to dig right. Ooh, look at that. Oh my gosh, look at that goodness. Mmm. 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 There is nothing like a fresh burger from McDonald's. Mmm. Now, for those who don't like McDonald's, I definitely understand how you cannot like McDonald's, because if you don't get good McDonald's, if the meat is dry and it's been sitting out all day, well, maybe not all day, but if the meat is dry, it's not going to be good. But this is fresh. It just got made. It's hot. The mac sauce is oozing out of it. Mmm. You guys gotta try it with mac sauce if you haven't. I'm so rude. I'm talking with my mouth full. I'm sorry. But I'm so hungry. Mmm. 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 So if you don't like smacking, I'm sorry. Mmm. So, I love ketchup on my fries. But my McDonald's fries, no. They don't need it, in my opinion. Mm. Mm, 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 mm. Mm. You guys, a fresh double quarter pounder is so good. Mm. So, this is my second mukbang video. And if you haven't subscribed already, please go ahead and do so. So you don't miss when I post a video. Mmm. Mmm. That mac sauce takes it to another level. Mmm. 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 So growing up, I used to always finish my food first and then drink. So I still do that sometimes. Have a bite. You guys, I was so hungry. I have not eaten all day. And I normally don't do that, but I had a busy day. So, let me know down below what other videos you want to see. From me. That was so good. R.I.P. to that double quarter pounder. I do not play with my food. I think I want to do like a maybe Taco Bell one next. I don't know. You guys gotta let me know what's good. I don't really eat out that much. Excuse me. That double quarter pounder could not stand a chance with me. Sweet tea. Wow. McDonald's, I gotta give it to you. For somebody to not have McDonald's for about a while, few years, I must say that that was really good. But sometimes you just don't get so lucky. That was so good. So thank you so much for eating with me today. Again, Eat with Q. My name is Q. If you haven't hit that subscribe button already, please go ahead and do so. There's going to be so many more mukbangs where this has come from. But I need your guys' help. Whatever you want to see, whatever you want me to eat, I'm here for it. So let me know. Hold on. Sorry. Miss Piggy. So I will see you guys later. Bye.